we've developed a software environment management system. And here I have a personal namespace where, I have some existing environments, like I have a machine learning environment that has, scikit-learn and pandas. But I'm going to create a new environment. I'm going to call it try polars. And here I'm going to say environment to test out polars. And I'm going to add some packages. I'm going to add polars. And let's add a plotting library as well. So I'm going to add hvPlot so I can do some plotting. And I'm also going to choose which channel this library comes from. And I'm going to hit create. And this will take a few seconds, and it will start downloading these packages and creating an environment for this. And while this is going on, I want to point out a few other things. One is an extra package has been added on the back end. An ipykernel is a package that Jupyter needs to actually function. And so we know that, and we've put some rules in the back end to kind of control what's installed. And so our environment management system lets an administrator add some controls to how packages are created. Secondly, let's look on this left column. You see, we had this personal namespace, my namespace, Deepathina, and I had the ability to create environments. We also have these shared namespaces or shared groups. And here I have an AI production group, and there's a group here for creating RAG applications. And this is a control group. It has certain libraries listed in it, but I cannot create or edit these libraries because I don't have access. But in this AI research group, I do have access and I can create new environments. So this is a mechanism which allows both researchers to create the things they need, but also to have controlled environments as needed. And every environment is version controlled. Let me go to one which actually has some versions. So if we look at this, this environment has several versions and an active version. And since I am an administrator of this group, I can choose which version is the active version or roll back to an old version. Okay, let's go back and check on the polars plot we were trying to do earlier and see if this environment is available now. So let me look here. Yep, the environment is available. So now I'm using this new environment I created, and let's see if this runs. Yes, and it did this little example and showed me the data from the example. So again, environment management becomes central to a platform. And in Nebari, we have a fairly comprehensive system that underlies all the different applications that are used inside the platform.